Hi, I get the data here, right? This is a list, and then if I search for orange, right? So what happens is that right here it will show this. So how does it achieve, right? That let's say I put there tomato, right? So as long as the book title has the word tomato, list it down for me, right? So now how to do this? Now the first step is that right, we're going to look at that. We're going to understand it, right? That there are some things that you can use it to search, right? Whether that this is one example. Well, the first step is to use the search function to check whether and using the wildcard, right? So it means that uh, in this item, right, as long as there's a tomato, right, then tell me where is it located, right? So it's right. Sorry, is that yeah, search over here, right? So then yes, right, there is returning a value here, right? So then that's why it will give you one there. So that is search. So you find what, right? You provide a wildcard here, right? So and then within this cell, okay, great. Now if you couldn't find, right, what happened is that the search will actually return you an error. Now in the step two, right, is that how do you turn this into true false, right? You combine it with its number, right? Its number. Well, if you find that there's a result, right, then there's a number, it's true, and if it's not, it's false, right, and then it's true. And that's why that if you look at this here, that it will only show the true, those lines that is appear show as true. Now, this is the understanding. The first step is to use the search function. Then the step two is to use the is number to convert it into true false. And finally, we can use the filter function, right? It's in Excel365. And that's how exactly it works, right? So you can see that here, this is the data set, right? So what you can tell Excel that, hey, I'm going to filter something, right? So this is the data. And what do you want to filter is that based on this, right? So the combination of this part here is that you search something, right, row by row, right, for that if you can find a tomato, right, if there is, right, you convert it into true false, and finally you got a list of true false, right, and you only show the true items in this filter, right, as a result. So that is how you use the filter function. Thank you for watching.